Operators of Ukraine's Defense Intelligence Directorate Special Unit Kabul 9, in coordination with OSUV Khortytsia, the Zaporizhzhia Joint Task Force, SBU Alpha, and the State Special Communications Service Detachment, next struck a Russian military freight train between Levadne and Molochansk, setting several fuel tank cars ablaze, as was reported by Ukraine's Defense Intelligence Directorate, HUR, on June 22nd. Soldiers deployed precision attack drones to intercept a convoy of fuel-laden cisterns destined for Russian frontline forces in the temporarily occupied Zaporizhzhia region. According to HUR's Telegram channel, the coordinated strike began with loitering munitions disabling the locomotive, followed by follow-up drone attacks that engulfed the tank cars in flames. Petro Andriushenko, head of the Center for Occupation Studies, reported that, as of now, 11 fuel tanks are on fire. The smoke can be seen 15 to 20 kilometers away, and confirmed that the railroad track is ruined. It will take a couple of weeks to replace it, which means the fuel will not go to the front for 2 weeks. The operation severed a key supply line, depriving Russian forces of fuel. Analysts note the scale and precision of the attack mirror a nearly identical strike 4 weeks earlier in the same sector, underscoring Ukraine's growing mastery of drone-enabled sabotage. Earlier, Ukrainian military intelligence operatives struck and destroyed a moving Russian fuel train in the occupied Zaporizhzhia region with attack drones, disrupting supply routes between Verkhny, Tokmak, Molochansk, and Fedorivka. Ukrainian forces continue to hold around 90 square kilometers of territory in Russia's Kursk Oblast, according to Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, General Oleksandr Syrsky. He claims that the operation has blocked a planned Russian assault on the Pokrovsk direction in Donetsk Oblast by forcing the redeployment of enemy troops. Liga reports on 22nd of June that General Syrsky, speaking to journalists, has confirmed that Ukrainian forces remain in control of approximately 90 kilometers in the Glushkovo district of Kursk Oblast. He explained that the operation prevented a large-scale Russian advance toward Pokrovsk by anchoring enemy troops in place. Syrsky also highlighted that the Kursk operation had earlier drawn in nearly 63,000 Russian soldiers and about 7,000 North Korean troops, reducing pressure along other fronts and enabling Ukrainian forces to regroup. The Ukrainian battlefield monitoring project Deep State's map shows only 5.5 km in Kursk Oblast as controlled by the Ukrainian forces. Russia concentrates forces but stalls at Ukrainian border. Currently, roughly 10,000 Russian troops are engaged in combat within Glushkovo, according to Syrsky. Meanwhile, near the northeastern border in the Pivnikno-Slobozhansky direction, north of Kharkiv and Sumy Oblasts, Russia has amassed around 50,000 personnel, including 2 airborne divisions, 4 main brigades, the 177th Marine Regiment from the Caspian Flotilla, and other units. Despite the buildup, Russian forces advancing from Kursk into Sumy Oblast have been stopped just several kilometers inside Ukraine, along the line of Khortytsia, Andrivka, Yablunivka, and Unikivka.